Hello subscriber. Today our topic are the EMF. What do you mean by EMF? We will discuss about the what do you mean by EMF and what is an EMF in a physics. What is the difference between EMF and voltage? Is EMF a force or energy? We will discuss about that. Please subscribe our channel to before I ever started this topic. Please subscribe our channel to get the more videos like this and also updated video on my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest videos updates. So we have discussed first we did discuss what is the EMF. In electronics, electromotive force is an electrical action produced by a non-electrical source device producing an EMF by converting the other form of energy into the electrical energy, such as a battery or a generator. Sometimes as an analog or a water pressure is used to describe the electromotive force. We are discussing about what is meant by EMF. Electromotive force is a measurement of energy that causes a current to flow through a circuit. It can also be defined as a potential difference in a charge between two points in a circuit. Electromotive force is also known as a voltage, and it is measured in volts. What is a What is an EMF in a physics? Electromotive force and the internal resistance. Electromotive force EMF is energy produced by a cell or a battery per coulomb of a charge passing through it. It is measured in the volts. It equals to the potential difference across the terminal of the cell when no current is flowing. The EMF is measured between two points of a source when no current flows through, whereas the voltage is measured between two points of a closed circuit. The EMF is generated by electrochemical cell, dynamo, photodiode cells, etc., where the voltage is caused by an electric magnetic field. The main and special discussing about that topic is to the EMF is a force or an energy. Electromotive force is a voltage developed by a source of electrical energy such as a battery, photovoltaic cells. The word force is a somewhat misleading because the EMF is not a force but rather a potential to provide the energy. Means it is a potential which gives the energy from one point to the another point. It is not a What is the formula of EMF? The EMF is equal to the work done on a charge per unit charge. When there is a joule and the unit charge is the coulombs, the unit of EMF is a volt. 1 volt into the 1 joule divided within a charge. Some people are thinking about that the EMF is dangerous for a human or not. An electromagnetic field is an area moving with an electric charge. Some of EMF, especially those involving ionizing radiations, can be harmful for the most people. Exposure to the EMF occurs on a daily basis as the field vertically, and some people are thinking what the source we will be utilize the EMF device that can produce the EMF induce the electrochemical cell through the electric device, solar cells, electrical generator, transformer, even when the graphics generator in a natural EMF is generated, whatever a magnetic field fluctuation occurs through a surface. What is the unit of EMF? Deposit its a name. Electromotive force is not actually a force. It is commonly measured in a unit of volt, equivalence in a meter kilometer seconds system to the joule of a coulomb charges. As a standardization system have a in a SIA system, the answer of electromotive force or EMF is defined as the battery energy per coulomb per charge passing through it. Like the other measures of energy per charge, EMF is a SI unit of a volts equivalent to the joule per coulombs. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and subscribe my channel to get the latest videos like this. Thank you.